In Rockford, homeowners are always looking for ways to improve comfort, boost curb appeal, and increase the value of their homes. One upgrade that delivers all three benefits, often more than people expect, is replacing old, worn-out exterior doors. Whether it's your front entry door, patio door, or side access door, making the switch to a modern replacement door offers long-lasting advantages that enhance your home inside and out. Here's why replacement doors are one of the smartest investments Rockford homeowners can make. Improved energy efficiency for Rockford's seasonal climate. Rockford experiences all four seasons, from freezing winters to hot, humid summers. Older doors often struggle to keep up with these temperature extremes. Gaps, drafts, thin cores, and worn weather stripping can let conditioned air escape and outdoor air seep in, driving up your energy bills. Modern replacement doors are engineered for energy efficiency. They typically include insulated cores that help regulate indoor temperatures, high-performance weather stripping that seals out drafts, tight-fitting frames that block air movement, low-E glass panels that reduce heat transfer. By reducing energy loss, a new door makes your home more comfortable year-round while lowering heating and cooling costs, a major benefit during Rockford's winter cold snaps and summer heat waves. Enhanced home security and peace of mind. Your exterior doors are a critical part of your home's security. Older wooden doors may warp, weaken, or develop soft spots. Outdated locks and flimsy frames make it easier for intruders to force their way in. Today's replacement doors offer upgraded safety features, including reinforced steel or fiberglass construction, multi-point locking mechanisms, impact-resistant cores, heavy-duty frames and hinges for Rockford families who prioritize security. Upgrading your doors provides dependable protection and greater peace of mind. A major boost to curb appeal. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A faded, outdated, or damaged door can make the entire property look older than it is. Replacing your door instantly refreshes your curb appeal, giving your home a polished, updated appearance. With replacement doors available in a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes, you can choose a look that perfectly suits your home, whether it's classic, modern, or transitional. Decorative glass inserts, bold colors, wood-look textures, and stylish hardware let you create an inviting entryway that reflects your personal style. For Rockford homeowners who take pride in a beautiful exterior, a new door offers one of the biggest visual transformations for the lowest cost. Increased home value and strong ROI. Replacement doors are consistently ranked among the top home improvement projects for return on investment. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to add long-term value, a new door is a smart financial decision. Real estate buyers in Rockford appreciate improved energy efficiency, updated home appearance, better security features, reduced maintenance needs. These benefits make your home more attractive on the market and can help it stand out from comparable properties. Better functionality and reduced maintenance. Aging doors often stick, become misaligned, or require repeated repairs. New replacement doors are built with durability and ease of use in mind. Many options provide smooth, reliable operation, long-lasting finishes that resist fading and cracking, materials like fiberglass or steel that won't warp or rot, low-maintenance surfaces that require minimal upkeep. This means less time worrying about repairs and more time enjoying your home. Final thoughts. For Rockford homeowners, replacement doors offer an impressive range of benefits: improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, boosted curb appeal, and increased property value. Whether your current door is drafty, outdated, or simply inefficient, upgrading to a modern replacement door is a smart, practical improvement that pays off in comfort and long-term savings.